Max, who lives next door?
Mm.
Nini.
Mm.
Who lives next door that way? Nick.
Mm.
Where does Dada work?
Paco.
Where does Mama work?
Choco.
What's the doggy's name? Yeah. What's her name?
Matt.
What's the baby's name?
Matt.
That's right. You're Max.
That's not an animal.
What is it?
Dangle.
I'm taking a picture.
What's this?
Picture. What's in the bottle?
Milk.
Good old milk. Mmm, milk. Max, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yeah.